Hi, I'm Stone Monic, and welcome to my Animation Basics series. In this video, I'm going to go over what you'll learn in Lesson 1 and how the videos are broken down. So, let's get to it. In Lesson 1, students will learn how the computer interprets frames and how to create motion, like ease in and ease out. You'll also learn how to manipulate the handles to change how the computer interprets movement. Handles are within the graph editor. Most animation software has some sort of graph editor, and you'll learn more about that. In part 1, you'll cover the process of setting up the project and make sure that everything's in place. In part 2, you'll model everything from scratch and make sure that your assets are animation ready. And in part 3, we'll cover some of the animation workspace, including preparing a camera, how to play blast, how to set up and translate keys, what the ghosting editor is in Maya, and of course the graph editor that again lets you manipulate the handles of an animation, and it'll tell the computer how to interpret those frames. By the end of the lesson, you'll have a solid idea on how to set up Maya and finally apply that to your own animations. So yeah, happy animating.